Step 1. Start with freshly ground 80-20 beef and gently roll into loose balls, about 3 to 4 ounces each. Don't pack them too tight. Step 2. Place a cast iron skillet over high heat and let it get smoking hot. This is key to creating that signature crispy crust. Step 3. Add a little butter to the pan and toast your burger buns until golden and crispy. Set them aside. Step 4. Place a beef ball onto the hot skillet. You should hear an instant sizzle. Step 5. Use a metal spatula to smash the beef flat against the skillet. Press firmly for that beautiful crispy edge. Step 6. Immediately season the patty with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Step 7. Let the patty cook undisturbed for 1 to 2 minutes to form a caramelized crust. Step 8. Flip the patty. Carefully flip the patty using a firm spatula. Look at that crust. Step 9. Place a slice of American cheese on the hot patty and let it melt while the other side finishes cooking. Step 10. Now build your burger, toasted bun, cheesy patty, pickles, grilled onions, shredded lettuce, and your favorite sauce. Top it off with a bun. Step 11. Serve and enjoy. Your smash burger is ready. Crispy, juicy, cheesy, and full of flavor. Time to dig in.